Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. A comprehensive guide to calculating bias in Excel. Bias is a systematic error that can significantly distort the accuracy and reliability of your data analysis. Understanding and quantifying bias is crucial for making informed decisions based on your data. This tutorial will guide you through the concept of bias, different types of bias you might encounter, and how to calculate and interpret bias in Excel, along with code examples and explanations. Understanding bias. At its core, bias represents a systematic deviation of an estimate from the true value. It's not random error, which fluctuates around the true value, but a consistent tendency to over or underestimate. This tendency can arise from various sources, affecting the validity of your conclusions. Types of bias. It's essential to be aware of the different types of bias that can creep into your data and analysis. Selection bias occurs when the sample